The number of deaths due to the coronavirus in different countries of the world has increased to more than 2,025,000 and more than 31,083,000 are ill, and it's increasing day by day, while more than 9,086,000 have recovered. Coronavirus. Where did the coronavirus finally start? Before that, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for latest updates. Trying to figure out how the deadly coronavirus came from animals. Helen Berg, a reporter, reviewed how scientists were trying to figure out where the epidemic began to spread. In some area of China, a bat flying in the air left the coronavirus and it watched the virus spread to other animals. The infected animal took the hands of humans and the disease began to spread in humans and began to form an epidemic in the world. Professor Andrew Kingham of the Zoological Society of London says that scientists are trying to link these events as closely as a spy. He says there are many kinds of animals in the forest that can be virus, especially bats, in which there are many types of coronavirus. So how much do we know about virus outbreaks? When scientists examined the virus taken from a patient's body, the point was made straight to the bats. Bats fly long and are present in every continent. According to University College of London professor Kate Jones, there are such testimonies that bats have become accustomed to long and tiring flight and have the ability to recover the damage done to the DNA. University of Nottingham professor Jonathan Ball says that if the lifestyle of bats is seen, there is no doubt that they develop viruses, and since they are lactating animals, they can directly or indirectly transmit these. The second question of this mystery is the identity of the mysterious animal in whose body the virus came and reached it in Wuhan's market. In this regard, suspicion is being expressed on animal named pangolin. The animal that eats ants and other insects is called the most smuggled animal in the world and is prone to extinction. It is used in China's traditional medicine and some people see it as a sophisticated diet. However, experts say that no result should be reached because the full detail of the review of pangolin has not yet been released, which cannot confirm all reports. Penguins and other wildlife, including several types of bats, are often sold in wet markets where living animals are kept in water, that are more likely to spread viruses from one animal to another. So in such markets there are more chances of virus spreading in animals and humans. A similar market in Wuhan was closed after the outbreak of an epidemic which also had a section of wild animals where living and slaughtered animals were being sold. They were selling camels, bears and other animals. According to The Guardian's name, the list on a shop included wolf children, golden locusts, scorpions, mice, squirrels, foxes, cats, turtles and fish meat. As far as we know, bats and penguins were not on the list. Chinese officials will be informed of what was selling there. Experts say all the viruses we have detected in recent years have moved from wildlife to humans, whether they are Ebola or SARS and now coronavirus. Professor Jones says the incidence of wildlife spreading infectious diseases is increasing and the human population is being hit by a new virus. Man is capturing forests. Forest land is being used, which can be the cause of virus spread transmitted from wildlife. We can already take steps if we know what its risks are, says Professor Kingham. Although bats contain more viruses, but their need is also important in running the ecosystem. Herbivores. Bats eat large-scale insects, including cultivating insects and mosquitoes. A temporary ban was imposed on the animal market after the outbreak of the SARS in 2003, but soon this market began to function fully in other areas of China, Vietnam and Southeast Asia. China has again banned the purchase of wildlife products. News is that the ban will be permanent. East Anglia University professor Diana Bell says we may never know when and how this disease of human beings came into existence, but we can prevent the next storm from coming. We are collecting different areas of different countries and different lifestyles, different environment animals in which some live on trees, some on land and some in water together, which is dangerous and we should stop.